Poor man's comfort food. Dollar Tree edition. Some cheese and some creme cheese. Supposedly it melts great. Seems sus, but we'll try it. Lasagna. And don't forget the sauce. And beggars can't be choosers. I really need ground beef, but we'll use meatballs instead. We need to get these softer than some 4-ply. Yeah, I like to do it in the microwave. I let my balls thaw because we're gonna unball them. Be glad you didn't witness that destruction. You don't want to catch these meat mitts. Grab a blunt pan and let's get saucy. Just a wee bit. Take those new-news and make a lasagna. Add sauce and meatballless balls. Dollops of cream cheese. Italian seasoning across the board here. More sauce, now add your cheesy shreds. Some other noodles in half, lay them across, and repeat. And you're wondering why am I doing dollops of cream cheese? Well, if the don't mix it lady can do it with butter, why can't I do it with cream cheese? More sauce, then tuck it in like Buffalo Bill. Like so. I want to say 40 minutes, but there's a good chance I don't know what I'm doing. So you made a lasagna. That don't impress me much. It looks pretty dang good, but we're not done yet. More sauce and 3 string cheesies ripped apart on top. Now we're talking. Ta-da! Let's go.